In today's video, I'm going to teach you here's how to build an SEO report in Semrush quickly. By the end, you'll have a clean professional PDF you can share with your team or clients built from the exact data that matters most to you. First, log into Semrush. Once you're in, look to the left-hand menu and click My Reports. This is your hub for creating and managing custom reports, and it's where you'll assemble everything into a single, easy-to-read package. Next, click Create Report. This opens the report builder. You'll see an option to start from scratch, or you can pick a template if you prefer. Templates are great when you want a quick, structured starting point for common needs like domain analysis or competitor reviews. If you want full control over every section, choose Start from Scratch. Inside the builder, click Add Widget. Widgets are pre-built blocks that pull live data from your Semrush tools and place them neatly into your report. From the list, select the SEO widget you want, such as Domain Overview, Backlink Overview, or Keyword Overview. Domain Overview is perfect for a high-level snapshot of organic traffic, visibility, and top keywords. Backlink Overview helps you show authority, new and lost links, and referring domains. Keyword Overview highlights search volume, difficulty, and SERP features for terms you care about. Choose the option that aligns with your reporting goals. Click Insert to add the widget to your report. You'll see it appear in the preview area, formatted and ready. Continue to add more widgets the same way until your report has all the sections you need. Think about the story you want the report to tell. Start with a big picture view, then support it with backlinks and keywords, and keep it concise so the key insights stand out. It's totally fine to mix overview widgets with more detailed ones if your audience needs both. When your layout looks good, click Save. This ensures you can come back later to adjust or reuse the same structure for the next reporting period, which saves a lot of time. Finally, click PDF Export to download your report. Semrush will generate a polished PDF that's easy to share, print, or attach to an email. It's a quick way to deliver insights without sending people into the tool itself. Your SEO report is ready. Export and share it anytime. Subscribe for more simple Semrush tutorials.